In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 702 by 9 using the long division method. See that 7 is less than 9. That is why we will consider the number 70. 9 times 7 is equal to 63. Subtract, we get 7. Now this 7 is less than 9. That is why we will bring down this 2 here. And we know that 9 times 8 is equal to 72. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 702 divided by 9 is equal to 78. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.